Do you know that cinnamon can help you attract the love of your life? Do you know that cinnamon can help you attract money into your life? Do you know that cinnamon can cleanse you from all the spiritual problems and the spiritual garment that the devil, the evil, and the devilish people have put on you? Do you know that cinnamon can make people love you? Do you know that cinnamon can remove hatred from your life? If you're serious about getting all these things, you should watch this video. Okay, today I'm going to be teaching you a very powerful spiritual spell. I call it cinnamon spell. So you're going to know everything about it, how you are going to use it to make it work for you 100%. So my name is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. You're welcome. Today I'm going to be using cinnamon. This is cinnamon powder right here. I also have cinnamon stick. You can see it here. Okay, so all these things, I have them in my house. You too may have them as I speak to you. So you can actually go right ahead and use this. You can watch this video and follow me and do it the way I'm going to do it right now. Okay, so this is cinnamon. If you don't know where to get this, you can get it from the supermarket. You can get it from spiritual shops. You can order them online. Okay, these things are everywhere. They are more than using them as a spice. People use them, for spices in their food. They use them for beauty, for cosmetics. But today we're talking about its spiritual benefits, how you can definitely use these to make your life better. So now, once you get your cinnamon, you want to make sure that you pour maybe about half teaspoon of cinnamon. You can put it in a little, you see, in a little plastic. If you don't have a plastic, you can get a little bowl. Just put about half teaspoon of cinnamon. Put it in that bowl. See, this is my own cinnamon here. Okay, so if you don't have the powder, you can get the sticks and just blend it. Blend it, okay, using a blender to blend it, because you need the powder, okay, for this spiritual work. So now, if you want to use this to attract love, to make people love you, because now you know what is going on in your life, you get into some, before you even get there, you're already having it in your mind that people are going to hate you, that people are going to, maybe the people will not associate with you. Or whenever you step into a place, whenever you step into an environment, you notice that people hate you. You can see on their faces, even before you opening your mouth, they're already hating you. Now you want to get this cinnamon and you get your favorite body cream or your lotion. Okay, you can use your body lotion, you can use your favorite body cream. Just add some half teaspoon of cinnamon into that cream and make sure you mix it up very well. Okay, mix it up very well and you pray to it. You pray over it. You tell God that, God Almighty, I'm using this cinnamon ritual. I'm using this cinnamon spell to attract love, to make people love me wherever I go. Before people see me, I want people to love me. I want people to be attracted to me. I want me to be attracted to people. I want people to love me. Whatever I say in my mouth, people should accept. People should love me. People should do as I say. You make your prayers accordingly and you start using these. Use it in the morning and use it at night. You will use it 2 times. In the morning when you're just waking up, after your bath, you're going to rub it all over your body. And when you're going to bed, just use it. You don't have to rub all over your body. You just make sure that it's all over your face, and you rub some on your feet. And do this for a few days. You will see that before the end of that, when you start using it, you start seeing that people will love you. People that you don't even know, they will love you. People will love to see you. People will want to associate with you. Rich people will come to you. Now, if yours is how to use this to attract money into your life, because cinnamon make money flow to you, it help increases your money, it help improve your business. If you are somebody that has a business and this business is not really working well, do cinnamon spell, do cinnamon ritual. I can't stress this enough. It works 100%. So what you want to do is this. You want to make sure that you get some water, okay, and add about half teaspoon of cinnamon into the water. Mix it up very well. So this water, you only have to let it sit for a few hours. Just put it aside and let it sit. If you like, you can keep it on your window. If you like, you can keep it outside under the moon and let the moon shine over it. Moon has this powerful energy to make any spiritual work powerful, very energetic, to make it ready for it to work 100% for you. So after the few hours, you want to take it inside and you want to use this water to mop your floor. You use it to mop your floor environment, the inside of your shop, the inside of your business place, and outside, especially the entrance. Make sure you use that water to mop the floor. You will be shocked. Many customers are going to rush to your business. Business sales are going to be following you every step of the way. This is how powerful this spiritual work is. Okay? If you are somebody that want to attract the love of your life, you are a woman, it is time for you to go. For a man to ask for your hand in marriage. But they come to you, but before few days, they leave you. They just change their mind and they say, no, they don't like you anymore. They can't go on with this relationship. Or you are somebody that is unlucky in relationship, or your marriage is not working well, or you want a lifetime husband, somebody that will love you with so much care. Do this cinnamon ritual. Do cinnamon spell. It works 100%. All you just have to do is make sure that you get a piece of paper, okay, white piece of paper that has no line in it, and make sure you write the name of the person that you want to get married to. Or if you don't know them yet, you can just say, my life partner, my caring and loving husband that will love me with so much care. You write it on one piece of the paper and you write your name and your last name on the other side of the paper. Then you write in between there that come to me and love me with so much care. Okay? That's what you're going to write. And you're going to take some cinnamon, you're going to put it on for each of the edge of the paper. You know that paper is square and it has 4 edges. You make sure you add cinnamon on it. So, and you make your intention. You pray that from today, you, my life partner, you that will love me, that will be my husband, that will be my wife for the rest of my life, should come to me and find me. Okay? That's all you're going to do. And you fold that paper, keep it under your pillow. Just leave it there. Okay? And you'll be shocked